guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sunday. It's Saturday. I never know the days of the week. This week, or these last couple of days, we were going to do like hurricane prep videos, but then I left my camera at home when we went out, but we really didn't do any prep. We went to Discount Tire because Brandon, no, you can turn up. I was turning out cold. We went to Discount Tire because Brandon's like tire came off the rim. So we had to do that before the hurricane this morning. So Saturday morning we woke up and checked like we checked the weather news channel, and it was just saying that it looks like it's turned. So it looks like the storm has turned, and it looks like it's still going to be just a really big thunderstorm, basically. Like we're gonna have a lot of high winds and stuff from what it looks like as of now. That could change in an hour, so you never know. But yeah, it looks like it's not gonna be a big deal. So we're actually leaving now. We're gonna go look at a baby shower venue. So we're driving our car and we're following my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law, and that's what we're doing right now. So we will not like that's not like a typical hurricane prep. I just wanted to show this picture of the hurricane's path, which doesn't really mean a lot to you guys now because it's probably completely changed, or maybe not changed at all, who knows. But by the time I get this video up, which will probably be later tonight or tomorrow morning, I'll show you like the general area that we are in is like right around here. We're still gonna have a major storm, but the actual landfall, like where the eye is going, the core of the hurricane is going away from us.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high.
Do you see it?
I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else.
So we just got back from looking at a baby shower venue. My mother and sister-in-law are helping. Well, they're pretty much doing it because I'm not a good party planner. Brandon's a guy, he's not really totally good at party planning, so they are just like amazing at putting together parties and stuff. So I don't know whose idea it was, but somebody had an idea to look at this venue, and it was gorgeous. So pretty. It was really pretty. So we just got back from doing that, and I'm on my way to meet my aunt because she has a pack and play that she uses for Ella if we go over to her house and spend the night. I am gonna go pick it up from her, and then I'm going to go to Starbucks and get the pumpkin cream cold brew. It is September tomorrow and I have yet to try. I've yet to have anything pumpkin. And like, I know what you guys are gonna say, like, oh my gosh, it's just pumpkin, like, get off the pumpkin bandwagon. No, like, I love pumpkin flavor. Like, I've always been a pumpkin pie lover, and I just really want some pumpkin cream cold brew. Bit of a change of plans. I'm not gonna go to Starbucks just because the Starbucks from where I am right now is just, it's a little bit too far for me to like really have a logical reason to go to Starbucks. You know, like it's just far enough away that it's like, okay, do you really need to go to Starbucks? But that doesn't change the fact that I'm 6 months pregnant and I have a craving for pumpkin. So I'm still gonna get my pumpkin. I just went to Dunkin' to do it. So I forgot that I have had pumpkin this season already. It was just a Dunkin', so it wasn't like really what I thought it was going to be. So I just got a medium iced coffee with cream and pumpkin in it with no liquid sugar. So I haven't tried it yet, but we'll see. I'm pretty sure it's delicious. Really good. It definitely like satisfies my craving. I got little munchkins for Ella, and then I got a donut that I'm just gonna eat on the way home, so that way I don't have to show my husband that I'm like being a tubbers and just eating a donut at 5:02 in the evening. So, but then Brandon's calling me. Hello?
Hey.
Hi, honey.
Hey, what you doing?
Driving.
You driving back from Dunkin' or you still at Dunkin'?
I'm driving back from Dunkin'.
Okay. And you know we're going to the ice cream place on Baseline, so do you want to just meet us there since you're going to be passing by?
Yeah, so I'm passing that marathon on Dogwood. Do you know where I am?
All right, keep going. Yeah, keep going down. It'll be on your left, not too much further up the road. Yeah, it's right next to the Subway. Let's say like Scooby Subs and ice cream and all. It's like a new looking building.
Oh, I think I know what you're talking about.
Hello. What are we going to do? We're going to go meet them now. All right, so we're going to head out and head over there.
Okay. Is her car seat still like fastened into your car?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I haven't moved it.
Okay, cool. All right. Well, yeah, I'll meet you there.
All right, sounds good.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Call ended.
This is just working out to be a great time for me because they're all going to get ice cream. I'm gonna have a donut and ice cream. It's gonna be great. Okay, but anyway, this cool thing happened. This like made my day. So I get my coffee and she like hands me my drink and my card back, and she like leans out the window and she goes, "Hey." And I was like, "Yeah." I'm like, "Yeah." She goes, "Do you want a pumpkin donut?" I was like, "Yeah." Like, I do want a pumpkin donut. So now I have a pumpkin donut, a Boston cream donut, and we're gonna go get ice cream. And in 3 more months, I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna go for a weigh-in and I'm gonna be like, how did I gain 45 pounds this pregnancy? And then I'm gonna ask you guys to refer me back to this vlog because that's how. And I'm fine with all of it.
Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you, and you got me too. We can got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you.
What is this? What is it? You want it? Okay, put Donald Duck next to you. What do you say? Please.
Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of time. And you, I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you,
Oh, she's like,
and you got me
cute.
too.
What's on your tongue? Is that your ice cream? Cheers. Yeah, you got some on my ice cream. You wanna give mommy a big smile? Say ice cream. Ice cream. Cheers. Cheers. How do you like your ice cream? Delicious? What flavors did you get?
Rocky Road and strawberry cheesecake.
Ice cream is white? What is this?
You should see these Kohler Luck stone shower systems made of crushed stone. Construction. And get a feel for all they do. Whether it's construction,
Yeah. Sprinkles?
3281. And ask them what a purple is. I need one.
Yummy good. What do you say, Ella? Isn't it crazy that in like 2 days it's gonna just be nuts out here? It doesn't even seem like that's possible.
It was going to be terrible. Now it's pretty good. Jackson.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday